Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to make custom sublimation license plates. So you can buy sublimation blanks on Amazon and various other dealers. So what you do is you print out your designs on your sublimation printer with your sublimation ink, of course, and then we are going to apply that design to license plates. I'm going to do two sizes today. I'm going to do the larger plate that's 6 by 12 inches, and then I'm going to do the smaller plate that is 4 by 7 inches. So the small plates I used as license plates for the bicycles for my grandsons, and then some signs for my breeding pens, and then the larger plate I used to hang on my gates outside saying keep gate closed and stuff like that. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so these are some of the items we're going to need today. We're going to need our heat press. We're going to need rubbing alcohol and a paper towel to wipe our plates down. We're going to need heat tape. We're going to need our license plates, of course, and we will need our designs printed on our sublimation paper. So to make our sublimation license plates, today I'm going to be using a heat press that I have called BetterSub, and I have to say that I have used this heat press to make neoprene bags. I have made canvas tote bags. I have made tons and tons of t-shirts for my family because we wear t-shirts for every event and all of us have one. So I've made a lot of t-shirts. So I've made a lot of stuff on this heat press, and I have to say I love the press, okay? Actually, I love the brand because I also have the tumbler heat press, which I'm going to do a video next on, and I absolutely love that heat press. Okay, so let's get back to it. Now we need to set our temperature and our time on our heat press. So I set it on my heat press at 354 degrees, and you can do it 60 to 120 seconds. I do my license plates at 120 seconds. So the license plates for sublimation come with a plastic coating on the white part. You need to make sure that you peel that plastic coating off before you sublimate. So we're going to peel that off, and then we're going to take our rubbing alcohol and our paper towel, and we're going to clean the front of it. Even though we peeled it off and it should be clean, we're going to clean it anyways. So clean the front of the license plate. Let it dry, and then what we're going to do is we're going to tape it down to the paper next. So making sure we use our heat tape, we're going to put the white sublimated side down on the design. We'll center our license plate, and then we will tape the plate with the heat tape all the way around to secure it to the paper. You do not have to cut the design out of the paper to sublimate it. I prefer to do it this way. Now that we have our plate taped down securely to our paper with our design on it with our heat tape, these are the items you're going to need to press it. You're going to need your heat gloves. You'll need some kind of picker if you plan to remove the paper while the plate is hot. Otherwise, I usually wait until the plate has cooled and then I just peel it back. We'll need some butcher paper to put our sign inside of so that both sides are covered on the heat press. All right, so as you can see, it's really simple to make your own custom signs. You don't need to order these or pay someone else. You can make these for a couple of dollars yourself. All you need is a computer, your imagination, and some sublimation ink and paper. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you make some signs at your house, maybe for your grandkids or your children. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.